Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Ballecia and it's a beautiful day. I hope you guys are doing well wherever you are tuning from. Big up on yourself and welcome. For our new subscribers, thank you for joining the family. For those who are just watching the video, definitely subscribe to stay updated on more content like these. For more day one subscribers, big up on yourself. I'm gonna do something a little bit different today. Again, I like to show people what to do instead of just doing it for them. That way, if the resource is no longer available at your disposal, you have the knowledge and the know-how to go ahead and get something done on your own. Now, before I get into that, today's quote for the day is, don't let your loyalty become slavery. If they don't appreciate what you bring to the table, let them eat alone. Okay? All right. Now, let's get right into it. So, you see me have this screen up right here. Normally we go to Google to search, everything we Google. Oh, my back is hurting. What could cause this? We're own doctors self-diagnosing ourselves and stuff like that. Anywho, today we'll be using Google for something totally different. Have I piqued your interest? Let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think I'm gonna be doing. Go on, leave a comment. Let me know what you think I'll be doing. All right, let's get into it. All right, so today we're going to be looking for jobs on Google. All right, we use Google so much, but I know a lot of persons don't think about applying for job positions at Google. Or I don't have statistics to back my opinion, but yeah, that's just my opinion. Anyway, let's get right into it, guys. So you come to Google. I'm going to show you exactly how to search for a job. So for example, you come here, you're looking, oh my God, where's their career page? You don't know. You go to about, there's nothing under there. There's no career page right here. What you want to do is just come right here where it says, HTTPS, google.com. Then put a forward slash. Okay. Put a forward slash in, and you can do this for most websites, and then type careers. If you type careers and that doesn't work, put jobs. If jobs doesn't work, instead of pluralizing it, take off the S, job, which I think most time the plural version would actually work. Anyhow, you get the gist. So you put the slash forward slash careers and go enter. And here we are on the job page. Build for everyone, find your next job at Google. Now, I did not search for a specific job. We're doing this together, all right, because I'm showing you what to do. All right, here you can click on benefits, the different locations, what their teams are made up, or what the teams look like. All right, students, your career, you can click right here. Click on applications. I have no application. I haven't applied to Google. You got saved jobs. So those are jobs that you save to maybe apply to later. You can get job alerts from them. You can create your profile and update your profile as relates to that. And you can view your open applications. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. Now, when you come here, you're seeing it's kind of pre-filled, giving you an example of the role that you should put in. You don't have to put software engineers, just giving you an example of what you would put into that box, where they're giving you an example of where you want to work, whether it's Florida, Georgia, Texas. You go ahead and put it here. And remember, Google is not just based in the US. You can have Canada and other countries as well. So this is not just for US based jobs. All right. And then, and then you can even scroll down here and explore some more, find your team. All right. These are different locations they're listing out. As you can see, Mountain View, they have 201 jobs. New York, 182. London, 53 jobs. Singapore, 67 jobs. And you can click view all location. All right. Wherever you are in the world, you can go ahead and view. Look at this. This is the United States, but they have a lot of different. This is for North America, Latin America. Here you go, guys. For those of you who want work to work at Google, you got Europe, Asia Pacific. All right, they're all over the world, and Africa and the Middle East. All right, so wherever you are, you can apply. Okay, guys, this is how you do your search. All right, let's go back to jobs. And let's select one of these jobs to review. I'm in the United States, so I'm going to look a United States job to review. Okay, now let's say, what do you want to do? Let's say, I know we got some tech people maybe watching, so let's do this right here that they even recommended. Software engineer, shall we? I know it's not that original, but yeah, let's do software engineer. All right, this is Singapore right there. All right, we don't want Singapore, so we're gonna filter it for the United States, and we want to put remote eligible since I mostly focus on these as well. So click remote eligible jobs. Let's see. This one says remote eligible over it's in the UK. So let's do United States and let's see what comes up. Let's see if there's anything. This has more than one location for this specific job. It's remote eligible. All right. So it says bachelor's degree or equivalent. Let's click on learn more. And then you can review the minimum qualifications needed. It says right here, whenever you see this, definitely read it. It says, note, Google's hybrid workplace includes remote and in-office roles. By applying to this position, you will have an opportunity to share your preferred working location from the following in-office locations. All right, and then you have remote. So these are the in-office location, and they also have remote locations. Okay. All right, so this specific job wants for you to have a master's degree or PhD in engineering, computer science, or related technical field. All right, now let's go back. All right, and let's search another job, shall we? Okay, we're going to keep remote eligible right there. Let's do customer service. Customer service. Okay, so it says 27 job matches. Let's do enter. All right, this is not, doesn't seem customer service related based on what I'm seeing here, based on these job results. Okay, let's see. But this is basically what I do, guys, when I'm searching for jobs for y'all. I spend time to research and see, what would be a good job to come and review with you guys, a good opportunity. It does take time. I'm not gonna uncheck remote. It says one of four or the four location has remote right here, but I'm not gonna uncheck that. Let's go ahead and they got sales rep. I do not like sales. Well, I like sales from our own business, but to try and sell someone else's product, I just do not feel it, Anyway, sales representative, and then you got field sales representative. Normally field mean you're going to be out and about doing consultative sales face to face. You've got sales specialist, data analytics, sales specialist, sales manager. How do we have any managers subscribe to the channel or watching this video? Leave a comment if this would be a role that you'd be interested in. Do you have managerial skills or experience? Go ahead and leave a comment. We're going to also review this job right here. Okay. So this says it is remote eligible, as you can see right here. It says manager 2 for Google Cloud. And let's go ahead and look to see what they're saying about this specific job. Okay. Now it says bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience. So if you do not have a bachelor's degree, you can have the experience that equals to a bachelor's degree, right? Now, 5 years of experience in product management or co-founder or related technical role. 1 year of experience building and shipping technical products. Experience developing, launching products or technologies within one or more of the following. All right. And then they list the following right here. Preferred qualification is not required. So if you don't have them, it's not going to work against you. But if you do, it will make you more competitive. Experience managing day-to-day technical and design direction. Experience in one or more of the following, which would be cloud infrastructure, SaaS. For those who do not know what this is, it is software as a service, big data, security and privacy, development and operations, or artificial intelligence / machine learning. And go ahead and read these other two, guys. All right, so it's telling you about the job right here. So you can go ahead and read that if you're interested in this specific role. But what I like to see is the salary. Let's take a look at that. So here is saying that the US based salary range for this full time position is $139,000 up to $208 plus bonus, plus equity, plus benefits. Or salary ranges are determined by role, level, and location. Okay, guys? The range displayed on each job posting reflects the minimum and maximum target for new higher salaries for the position across all US locations. I remember yearly you do get salary reviews, all right, on a yearly basis based on the your state, I guess, as well as the company. So there should be an opportunity for a wage increase. So this would be entry level range, okay? But not it's not an entry level job position, but like the salary that you'll be getting for the role. Nice. And then they're listing the responsibilities that you'll have right here. All right. So if you're interested in this specific job that I, went a little bit more in depth in, you can definitely apply. If not, you can also come over here. You're the gap manager, Red Team Security Consulting. All right, they've got data analytics, sales specialist, Google Public Sector, principal incident response consultant, and so on. All right, guys. I wish you all the best on your job journey. I did have a viewer who recently asked, I believe, where was he? I believe it's from India, who asked if there are any jobs that are currently sponsoring applicants to basically be able to come and work in the US. I am researching that. I do put time in my research, and I have other things doing outside of YouTube, but I just want you to know, if you're watching this video, it is something I am researching as it relates to the time frame when I'll be able to bring the information to you. I do not have a set date on that. However, it is something that I am researching for you, so stay tuned as it relates to that. When I do make the video, what I'll do though is to go back to that specific question and like tag you in it so that you can be notified that I did the video. Okay? All right. All the best, guys. I wish you all the best. I have so much to do before the day ends. It is now 7:36 Eastern time where I am right now, and my day is not done yet. I have loads of work to do, but I wanted to come on here and give you guys resources. I really enjoy doing this, and I hope that you'll benefit from it as well and enjoy the content and the information that I'm bringing to you. I appreciate you guys so much. All the best. God love and peace.